In this video, I'm going to guide you through a rap flow drill. It's going to help you come up with a ton of different cadences to make your rap flow more dynamic. We'll be shifting the starting point of our bars to create different grooves and building upon each cadence to see how many different variations that we can create from one single pattern. If you're new here, my name is ColeMize and I've been helping rappers perfect their rap skills on this channel for the past 11 years. And here's how this drill works. Simply just copy what I do and try to keep up. We'll take turns rapping for 2 bars each. If you mess up, no worries, just run it back and try again. And if you want more rap drills like this, I linked a full playlist in the video's description below. And we'll be rapping over a beat that I produced called The Hunt, which is available for purchase, link in the description below. Now let's get warmed up with a 4, 8, and a 16 count before we move on to the more advanced stuff. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 you better, 2 you better, 3 you better, 4 you better, 1 you better, 2 you better, 3 you better, 4 you better. 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and but a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and but a 3 and a 4 and a jump out the whip, step in the store. You burn through money, you wanna be poor? Jump out the whip, step in the store. You're gonna burn through that money, do you wanna be poor? Jump out the whip at the store. About to get me some new J, so let's go. Jump out the whip at the store. About to get me some new J's, mama, so let's go. I've been grinding, yeah, you know it. So my pockets staying swollen. I've been grinding, yeah, you better know it. I've been working all the time, so my pockets stay swollen. I've been grinding, yeah, you better know it. I've been working all the time and I show it. Grinding, yeah, you better know it. I've been working all of the time, so you know I'ma show it. I've been grinding so hard, going so far, better know it. And I've been working all of the time, so you know I'ma show it. I've been grinding so hard, so it feels like I've been steady growing. I've been grinding so hard, man, I'm focused. Keep it quiet, don't you let them know it. I've been grinding so hard, man, I'm focused. Keep it quiet, you better not let them know it. I've been grinding so hard, man, yeah, I'm focused. I keep it quiet, you better not ever let them know it. I've been grinding so hard, man, yeah, I've been focused. You been steady chilling, gaming on the sofa. I've been grinding so hard, man, I've been focused. You been steady chilling on mama's sofa. I've been grinding so hard, man, I've been so focused. You been steady chilling on your mama's sofa. I've been going so hard trying to get that pie. You been with an empty plate and you wonder why. I've been old time to get some motion. Just a bunch of hours working, ain't no magic potion. I've been working overtime to try to get some motion. Just a bunch of these hours working, no magic potion. Move it and just get out of my way. Tired of hearing excuses oozing from your face. patience, but you just can't be sitting around and waiting. If you want it, go and get up on it. Just know that there is gonna be opponents. If you want it, go and get up on it, but you better know that there is gonna be opponents. If you want it, go and get up on it. Before you flaunt it, just acknowledge there's gonna be opponents. If you want it, go and get up on it. Better not just flaunt it, just acknowledge that there's gonna be opponents. Alright, now be honest. How did you do? Was you able to keep up with those tricky fast parts? Let me know in the comments. And if you're serious about improving your rap skills, then I got something that you are going to absolutely love, and it's 100% free. It's called the Rap Essentials Bundle, which includes the #1 fundamental to rapping ebook, bar sheets to map out your flows, 6 practice instrumentals, the CMS gear catalog, 3 free rap courses, plus I'll personally send you my most essential rap tutorials covering all the core techniques that you need to level up your skills fast. And it's all yours for free when you join my mailing list. Just hit that link in the description like it stole something from you, you know what I'm talking about? Once again, I'm ColeMize with ColeMizeStudios.com, and always remember, when it comes to rapping, there's no rules, there's only techniques. Peace. Hey man, you see that subscribe button right there? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh, and don't forget the bell icon. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Hey, I know you see that like button, right? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. And look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, today I'm gonna kill it, kill it.